It's very easy to find what you're looking for in iScout using the search bar. To open the search bar, you can either select it with your cursor, or you can hit the / button on your keyboard. And as you type, the system will automatically begin filtering the possible results. To access employee profiles, simply begin to type in the name of the employee, and then select, and their profile will open up in a new window. You can also search for forms, training, equipment, and control panel items. Type in the name of your report, and based on your permission level, you can edit, analyze, or submit a report. You can also search for items in the control panel, such as the acknowledgements feature. You can also search for trainings. You can access an equipment profile by beginning to type in its serial number. Or you can access data lists in the control panel simply by typing in, selecting, and going straight to the data list. It's very easy to find what you're looking for in iScout using the search bar.